Hi, I have a perfect drink recipe for you today, so I'm really excited that you're here. It's something that's really easy and you're already kind of familiar with it, but with apple season in our midst, this is the perfect cocktail to serve at your next get-together or have it after a busy day and a long week. It is an apple cider mule. So, like I said, it's really easy, just a handful of ingredients. First off, 1.5 ounces of vodka, pour it into your glass. We're gonna take an ounce of lemon juice. This is gonna be so refreshing and so full of that cool weather, fall toned, just taste goodness. And then we're gonna take 3 ounces of apple cider. I wanted a little bit of sparkle to mine, so I'm putting sparkling apple cider in. Then we're going to take 3 ounces of ginger beer. Now, I like my ginger really spicy, so I get the extra spicy just to give it that little bit of kick. This way, the sparkling apple cider and the ginger beer give it some extra little pop and fizz. Add that 3 ounces of ginger beer to your glass. Woo, I got that a little full. Hold on. Wow, that's really tasty. Okay, you're gonna be fixing these, whoo, that lemon juice tart. You're gonna be fixing these like as a quick every night. Oh, that's really good. Oh my. I love the sparkle added to it. From the sparkling apple cider and that ginger beer, just a little bit of a bite. Anyway, stir it in your glass, add some ice if you already haven't. And you can garnish it with a cinnamon stick and or a slice of apple. So I have a slice of apple here just to stick it right in the drink. The apple's gonna soak up that mule too. Oh, look at that. That is so festive. I am really excited about this. It really is a refreshing. Reminds me a little bit of a twist of the classic mule. Oh yeah, that is so good. I could see even serving this at brunch. It's that kind of a drink. You are gonna love this. My mouth is just watering. Guys out there, if you're listening, or girls if you like girls too, women will love this drink. It's like a champagne, but with hard liquor in it. And you know, it is tasty. This is a panty dropper for sure. Just serve them a couple, it's gonna be great tasting and they'll want even more. So, you know, serve yourself up a glass and enjoy the night. I hope you love this recipe as much as I love you.